Okay, folks, let's make sure we're recording. Yes. Welcome to your briefing here on Isle St. Hubert. We're going to run through the critical information that you need to know ahead of your release into the facility on June 16th. First, let's talk about facilities and your tasking as part of the science team here on Isle St. Hubert. There are 3 unique areas that you will get to visit in our facility: the main facility itself, the ancient valley, and our riverside complex. I'm reassured that those of you who have enjoyed the rebirth of InGen's architectural style recently will find these facilities very satisfying. We've been hard at work breeding new assets here on the island. We have got the adorable Aqualops, the Titanic Titanosaur, a menacing mutant in the form of the Mutadon, and something classified which has been rather problematic to contain. Our ranger teams here on the island have resorted to handheld flares to attempt to contain this thing, but do not worry, I'm reassured that you won't encounter it by the time you are released into the island. Those of you who have been with InGen for some time may have visited Isla Nublar or Isla Sorna, and you'll be familiar with some of the specimens here on Isle St. Hubert. However, our science teams on the island have been working to give them a unique genetic appearance. You can expect to encounter the Tyrannosaurus rex, Spinosaurus, Quetzalcoatlus, Dilophosaurus, Mosasaur, and of course the Velociraptor. Please ensure that you maintain all security protocols when encountering these animals and treat them as you would in any other InGen environment. Here on Isle St. Hubert, we do make use of geothermal power, which means that facilities are run in a slightly different way to those which you may have come from before. Do take the time to familiarise yourself with how the geothermal power system works here, and also make sure you keep an eye on consumption. We try to distribute power across the island, but obviously power is restricted, so you do need to plan your experiments carefully. It's also worth noting that on this island, we have been working on developing experimental traits for dinosaurs. So here we are really at the cutting edge of research. Dr. Henry Wu would be very proud. So you can expect to be able to augment dinosaur behavior in this location to make dinosaurs behave in a different way than the public would expect. You'll receive assignments during the course of your time on the island, and these will help to drive forward your research and make sure you're doing exactly what InGen needs. However, from time to time, colleagues may come with you with other assignments, and these assignments may help to unlock unique genetic experimentations or other things which you may want to pursue. It's up to you to pick where you put your time and what you want to prioritize first. Whilst you're on the island, don't forget to check our brand new open air aviaries. I'm sure those of you who are joining us from Isla Nublar will agree that these are a far cry from the dome on the park, giving a much better view of pterosaurs and the aerial animals in our parks. DeSanto, what do you mean there's a containment breach? The Distortus what? Christ, okay, we're gonna need to make our way to the helipad. I will, this thing's still recording. Hold on, let me shut this off.
Île Saint-Hubert, site of top secret scientific operations. A place where prehistoric marvels could thrive under our watchful eye. We were pioneers, where the cutting edge of creation and modern-day research could coexist. At least, that was the vision for this place. What actually happened there, when it didn't go to plan, was a different story entirely.